Yo, YouTube, what up? It's your boy, Shy City Trucker, checking back in with you guys. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I've been out here working. And if you're a driver like me, you're out here working, you might not have as much time to make a video. But from then till now, I've had some maintenance issues with the truck. We're going to go over that today. I've made some upgrades to the truck. We're going to go over that today. And I've had some hiccups with some freight here or there, but that's to be expected. That's trucking. So every week's not going to be a home run week. Every week is not going to be easy with no hiccups. So getting started, I ended up having to replace all the batteries on my truck. And the only reason that happened was I hopped in the truck one day after doing my little 30-minute break and fueling, and I noticed this real pungent smell like rotten eggs. And I knew from other social media outlets and trucker forums and, all the stuff that I really do research on with trucking that was probably my batteries. But I'm thinking like, no, I haven't even had this truck that long. It couldn't possibly be the batteries. But thinking of all the maintenance I've done to this truck since I've had it for a very short period of time, it could possibly be the batteries. But the batteries, I don't know a whole lot about. I'm no mechanic, but I know they shouldn't be leaking and or smoking. I know, if they feel hot or they're leaking, they're smoking, like I said, it's usually a problem. You need to get them up out of there. So nonetheless, check the battery box, and that was the issue. One battery was leaking. It was warm, smoking, and I knew like, hey, that's got to come out of there. I'm partial to Interstate batteries. I love Interstate batteries. I have one in my personal vehicle, but TA did not have them, so I had to get these other brand. I don't know if you guys know them or not. I'll show you. And I just needed something to get the truck started and get down the road. So we're just gonna rock with them. Also, I got some wheel balancers, Centromatics. I don't know if you guys have heard of them or not, but they're just pretty much wheel balancers as your tire rolls. It balances the wheel so you get a nice even wear on your tires. All my owner operators know if you buying tires, you want them to wear as evenly as possible and last as long as possible before you have to put another set on or another tire. So I'm gonna hop out right now and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what that is. Wrap up this video real quick. I know you guys don't want to sit here and listen to me ramble, so we're gonna hop out and show you guys what this is. Oh Lord, I gotta stop jumping. Nope, 3 points of contact on that one. Alright, so here are the batteries. That's the brand right here. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, that's Alliance. I don't really particularly like those, but those are all the new batteries. And I have a cover for it. I just took it off for the video, so I don't need nobody telling me you don't have a cover on your battery box. These are the wheel balancers right here. These are the Centromatics I was telling you about. I have them on both sets all the way around the truck. And they go right in here in between the drives, and they just pretty much just balance out as you're rolling, and you get real nice even wear across all your tires. At least you're supposed to. These tires, I've had them for about a year and got good wear out of them. Same thing over here with the steers. I've had these for a while. Great wear out of these tires. They're all Bridgestone, so at some point I had to replace all my tires. But we're over here in Missouri. Windy, I'm sorry for the noise, but picking up in Missouri going to Texas. So that's what I've been up to. Sorry about the noise, but man, check me out. Stay tuned. I got some good content coming up if I can actually have the time to make it. But like I said, man, that's about it.